So my daughter was doing her ABC mouse, and it's a football. What's going on, everyone? How's it going? We're gonna take a look at the repo market a little bit late, actually a lot of it late today. Um, yeah, check this out: 1,502,000,000 with 94 counterparties. Now remember, this typically happens on the last day of the month. So this is technically the last trading day of October. Well, look at the one before today. 1384. So we're up literally 118 billion. How about that crime? And yeah, I have not been around today, but I am back and ready to go. So prepare for some rapid fire autism. Yay! Anyways, today's repo 1.5 trillion, up, a lot from yesterday. Counterparties jumped up by nearly 20. And the repo itself jumped up by 118 billion. No big deal. Yep, rapid fire it coming your way. Have a good one.